Hello everyone. In this module we are going to study domino reaction, characteristics and Navier cyclization. Before starting the domino reaction, let us see this image. In this image we can see if we push down one of the lead from series of lead, it pushes down all the leads in series of 8. So, this is the best example of domino reaction. So, what is mean by domino reaction? It is also known as cascade reaction. Cascade reaction in which several bonds are formed in a sequence. So, domino reaction is a consecutive series of intramolecular organic reactions in which proceed via highly reactive intermediate. The term consecutive means that a reactant forms an intermediate and that intermediate undergo formation of product via one or many other steps. The intermediate which can be formed in this consecutive reaction or in consecutive series cannot be isolated. Domino reaction allows organic synthesis of complex multinuclear molecules from a single cyclic precursor. Substrate contains many functional groups that take part in a chemical transformation one at a time. Often a functional group is generated in situ from previous chemical transformation. That is, functional group can be synthesized or can be generated from the already present substrate molecules. The definition includes the prerequisite in order to distinguish this type of multi-component reaction. The prerequisite means which is required necessarily to carry out other or series of reactions. Domino reactions means combination of two or more reactions in a specific order. That is, we require conjugation or conjugated functional groups are at a different sides of the substrate, and bond forming or breaking takes place at same time. That is, bond forming and bond breaking will takes place simultaneously. All reactions takes place without need of additional reagent. That is, all the reagent is incorporated in the starting material. Therefore, it is also called as one pot reaction or one pot multi-component reaction. Advantages: complex structure can be formed. By this method, we can generate complex molecule. It reduces cost and amount of reagent and solvent. Eliminate need of purification step. Decreases amount of waste generation. That is, lack of it rarely forms a byproduct and generally yield a required product, hence need not to purify it. The reaction is often fast due to its intramolecular nature. Display high atom economy. The example of cascade reaction are numerous and especially in alkyl chemistry. Other alkyl coupling reactions are based on common features such as type of compound, etc. These are few examples of domino reaction. We can see here bond formation and bond breaking. So, in this reaction we can see bond formation and bond breaking will takes place in the simultaneous manner. Okay. Same here. Here is a carbon-carbon bond formation which leads to the 5-membered ring formation. Then again formation of 6-membered ring formation leads to a complex structure. Nazarov cyclization. We are studying this reaction along with domino reaction because it also involves that type of mechanistic pathway, that is bond formation and bond breaking and bond formation where takes place in a simultaneous manner. Also it requires only just a click of reaction, that is a we just need to trigger this reaction in acidic medium. Basically this reaction is cyclization reaction which require acid catalyst which gives electrocyclic ring formation of cyclopentanone from a divinyl ketone. Mechanism we can see here. First, carbonyl compound along with acidic medium activates carbonyl oxygen, hence creating electron deficient carbonyl carbon center that can be stabilized by one of the pi bond of divinyl ketone, and carbocation generated at this center can be stabilized by another pi electron of divinyl ketone, generating electrophilicity at this carbon. So, to stabilize this electrophilicity, removal of one of the proton from this side will takes place, that will leads to the generation of pi bond. Then here we get enol form. That enol form can undergo keto-enol tautomerism to form cyclopentanone. These are applications of Nazarov cyclization which leads to the formation of cyclopentanone derivative. Thank you.